Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Tech. So today I'm going to talk about something that has been annoying millions of people for years. And that is IDM, Internet Download Manager. Every single time you open it, it shows you this pop-up saying, your trial has finished. Pay now, buy now. So today I'm going to show you a completely free alternative that is actually better than IDM in many ways. Let's get into it. So first, let me quickly tell you why people are leaving IDM. Number one, IDM is not free. It gives you only a 30-day free trial. And after that, it keeps showing you this annoying pop-up every single time you open it, asking you to buy the full version. Number two, IDM only works on Windows. If you have a Mac or Linux, you cannot even use it. And number three, the interface looks very old and outdated. So these are the main reasons of why people are looking for a better option. Let me show you the free download manager, or FDM. FDM is a free open source internet download accelerator and organizer for Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Linux. It speeds up downloads by splitting files into smaller pieces, resumes broken downloads, manages traffic usage, and supports torrents and video downloads from popular sites. How to get started and how to install the FDM. First, open your browser and search for Free Downloader Manager. The software link in the description of the video. Open the website and download. Click on the Download Free button. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, Linux, or Android. Then install it just like any normal software. The installation is very simple and takes less than a minute. Once FDM is installed, I will recommend you to install the browser extension. To install extension search, Free Downloader Extension, open the first link and click Add to Chrome and click Add Extension. This is important because now whenever you click any download link in your browser, FDM will automatically catch it and start downloading. Now let me show you how it works. Go to any website and click on a download link. You will see FDM automatically open a download pop-up. Just click the download button and your file will start downloading. You can also see the download speed, file size, and time remaining, all in one clean window. If this helped you, please like and subscribe to Easy Tech for daily Easy Tech tips. See you in the next one.